gentlemen, dignitaries, esteemed guests, parents, teachers, fathers, sisters, students, well-wishers and friends. It is our immense pleasure to welcome you all to Fusion 2025, the annual function of St. Mary's School, Naspur, Montreal. Tonight we gather to celebrate the spirit of togetherness, unity and joy that define our school community. We are thrilled to share with you an evening of music, dance, drama and art that will showcase the incredible talents of our students. The theme of Fusion 2025 represents the blending of diverse talents, cultures and ideas that will come together to create something truly extraordinary. As we celebrate this evening, we honor the unique spirit of St. Mary's School, where every individual is valued, respected, and encouraged to shine. We believe that every student has a unique As we celebrate this evening, we honor the unique spirit of St. Mary's School, where every individual is valued, respected, and encouraged to shine. We have, ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for a very special moment in today's event, the lighting of the lamp, symbolizing the dispelling of darkness and the arrival of knowledge and wisdom. I kindly request our guest of honor, Dr. Reverend Father Jose Maniketan, CMI, along with our gracious guest, His Excellency Right Reverend Bishop Kunat, CMI, Reverend Father Pius Alex, CMI, Provincial Law, Mary Madam, and Sir Surmila Garu, our Father James, and our respected Principal Sister Phoenicia, and our Staff Secretary, Mrs. Shravanti, to kindly come forward and light the lamp, marking the auspicious beginning of this today's event. Let us all join in this moment of reverence and gratitude. Please, all the dignitaries are requested to come to the stage.
It is with immense joy and honor that I stand before you today on this auspicious occasion of our annual day celebration. On behalf of St. Mary's School, I extend a heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you. Annual day holds a special place in our school calendar, marking a memorable milestone in the history of St. Mary's. This year is particularly significant as we celebrate our very first annual day, a day dedicated to showcase the incredible talents of our young minds who represent our future. This is more than just an event. It is a reflection of our tireless efforts and unwavering dedication throughout the year. So, without further delay, let the performance captivate us. Welcome to this grand celebration. First and foremost, I am deeply honored to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Sri Prem Sagar Rao, MLA of Mancherial. Though he is unable to join us due to his busy schedule, he has sent his best wishes for today's celebration. Next, I take great pleasure in welcoming Reverend Dr. Father Jose Maniketan, CMI, Vicar General of Adalabad Diocese. Father, your presence enriches this event, making it more vibrant and meaningful. We are privileged to have you with us today. Now, I could like to request our dear Principal, Sister Phoenicia, to please honor him with bouquet and shawl. In this celebration. Now I request all our invited guests to kindly take back your seat reserved in front, and sisters who reached here from different stations to empower and encourage us. Parents are the main pillars of our school, and dear parents, without your support and cooperation, nothing can be achieved. A heartiest welcome to all dear parents and benefactors for being good, supportive towards our institution. Once again, a hearty welcome to all dignitaries to stay back on stage for group photo. Warm welcome to our distinguished guest, Bishop Joseph Kunnan CMI, the former Bishop of Adilabad Diocese. We are delighted to have you with us today. Thank you for your blessings with your presence. And my regards to Sri S. Yadaya sir, the DEO of Mancherial. Though he is unable to join us due to his busy schedule, he has sent his best wishes for today's celebration. We are also privileged to welcome Sri Surimilla Venugaru, a respected leader who has served as
all the dignitaries, please.
To please honor him with bouquet and shawl. Reverend Father Pais Alexi Amai, the Provisional Superior of Mary Mata Province. Father, your inspiring presence is a source of motivation for our young minds. Now, I could like to request our dear Principal, Sister Felicia, with bouquet and shawl. He is not only a dedicated public servant, but also a supportive parent. Now, I could like to request our dear Principal, Sister Felicia, to please honor him with bouquet and shawl. Well-known and highly respected figure in our community. We are truly honored to have you with us today. Now, I could like to request our dear Principal, Sister Felicia, to please honor him with bouquet and shawl. appreciate your leadership and dedication. Now, I invite Sister Ashlyn to welcome our Reverend Sister Phoenicia. తల్లిదండ్రులకు, ఉపాధ్యాయులకు మరియు విద్యార్థులకు అందరికీ హృదయపూర్వక స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.